mga kabosing, mga lods. Good afternoon to everyone. Now we're going to approach, we're berthing now in Ruwais. It's a part of also UAE. So I'd like to show you some for the barge tugboat going to alongside. So you have a tugboat here. So and guys, pala yung line nila tao sa lupit. So dalawa siya yan, dalawang tugboat yan. So yan, tugboat yan, malalaking tugboat yan. So yung line nila naka sa ship sa aming barko, para siya yung susuporta, maghihila sa aming barko sa pagtabi yan. Guys, so yan, dito kami sa malapit na kami sa Puerto, bali yan port yan. So yan, bali ang Puerto nasa kabila. Yung Puerto. So, yan. This Ruwais Port. Oh, kaway muna dyan. Kaway muna. Oh, yan, mga tropa. Ayan guys. So yan, isang tugboat yun. Yan ang line nila. Yan ang line nasa ship sa amin, bago namin. So yan, pinakita ko na sa inyo guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support my channel, guys. Please, I have a lot of videos there you can play and you can watch. Thank you so much for support. God bless you all, guys. God bless you, mga kabosing. Thank you so much.